Hi Year 5, welcome to your second PSHE lesson. This one is going to be all about investigating different jobs and careers. Okay, now the first thing I'd like you to do is I'd like you to make a spider diagram of every single job that you can think of. Okay, so in this lovely space here on your worksheet, you're going to write jobs in the middle, and then you're going to put all of the jobs that you can think of around the outside and join them to the middle using a line. So you could have teacher, footballer, doctor, and join them all up. Pause the video and do that now. Okay, now next, you've been given 16 jobs on this page here. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to number them from 1 to 16. Number 1 is going to be the most important, and 16 will be the least important. So let's say I think that a chef is the most important. I would write a little 1 just there. Okay, now you've got this on your sheet here, so you can do that on the sheet. Pause the video and do that now. Okay, so next, here are a few jobs down the left-hand side, and here are a few different salaries. That's how much all these people get paid over the year. Now, what I'd like you to do is I would like you to match up each of these jobs to a salary. Okay, so for example, if I think that a nurse is paid £28,362 or £32,500, I would draw a line from nurse all the way down to here. Okay, now again, you've got this on your sheet here, so I'd like you to pause the video and do that now. Okay, now here we've got the actual answers, so you can mark your own work here if that's okay. So nurse is number 1, and actually nurses get between £24,507 and £37,890. Now, were there any there that surprised you? Were there any there that you thought might get more that didn't, or any that you didn't think would get very much but did? Okay. Now, the last thing we'd like you to do is there's 5 questions. Okay. Now, I'd like you to answer these questions in full sentences. That means more than one word. Okay. Now, again, those are at the bottom of the worksheet. Fill in those questions right there. Thank you very much. We look forward to seeing your work. Good luck.